absolutely respected personality. He's a music director, he's quite acclaimed, and ladies and gentlemen, we have with us none other than Mr. Norman Cardozo. A warm welcome to you, sir. So what are your thoughts about the competition Kantara that's organized here?
First and foremost, I'm very much privileged that these organizers have so much of confidence in us. And another thing, these organizers in St. Sebastian Church, in association with the St. Sebastian Sports Club, they are organizing this for the first time, and that too on a very grand scale, I can say.
How do you find the setup here at Kantara as compared to most of the other competitions and the musical shows that you have been a part of?
Very beautiful, and the level is quite high. I can say it's very high. Even the auditions, whenever I have been for the auditions, the backdrop was not like this. Wherever I have been, it was just a curtain. But then with this sort of a backdrop and all that, these people show what is their class.
एक competition for singing आणि आमच्याबरोबर असा none other than Reverend Father Andrew Pereira, the parish priest of St. Sebastian Church. Good evening, Father. Father, ये competition तुमच्या ब्रेनचे why Kantara?
दोन तीन कारण म्हणल्यार कोविडाक लागून जायते ते सगळे तेंचे very sensitive kind movement now time and the life seemed to have gone out of the society. दुसरें कारण म्हणल्यार हांगासर एरिया आमच्या स्पोर्ट्स क्लब एंड द पॅरिश एंड द पॅरिशनर्स सगळ्यांक एक सोय दिवपाक म्हाका एक हुस्को जालो आनी हें कांताराला हें सिंगींग कॉम्पिटिशन करून लोकांकूय एक सोय हांगासर कांतार करपाक आनी भाग घेवंक आनी खूब ऑर्गनायज हें करून हो सोय जालो. आनी तिसरें आनी चड व्हडलें कारण म्हणल्यार ऑफ माय पास्ट एक्सपिरियन्स हांव पालवीकार कसो काणकोणा आसलो आमी 3 वर्सां सिंगींग कॉम्पिटिशन केलें आनी टू आवर सरप्रायज एंड टू द पीपल ऑफ काणकोणा तालुका टू देयर सरप्रायज फॉर 3 years we produced 3 all over champions. म्हाका दिसलें if a place like in Kanampana if they can produce in 3 years 3 champion winners, म्हजो एक आस आनी म्हजो एक आवडो हांगासर आखी मडगांवच्यान आनी सर गोंयच्या गांवांनी हांगासरल्यान एक विनर ऑफ ऑल गोवा सिंगींग कॉम्पिटिशन चॅम्पियन प्रोड्यूस जावचो म्हूण म्हजो एक चड व्हडलो हांव